What's cracking YouTube? This is Abhivikram Singh returning to you with another fresh vlog. Welcome back guys. This is a really fun day for us.
Every single day.
They're annoying me a lot. Anyways, before we even kickstart this video, please go and make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel. Today is going to be a really fun day. All of us have been waiting for Easter break. And we're actually going out to a wonderful place called Mount Gambier in South Australia, which is essentially like a 6-hour drive from Melbourne. Obviously, we're starting out on a Thursday, super duper late. It's 5:30 in the evening because Daya got us late.
Vikram was in his underwear when I went to his house.
He was taking a shit actually.
Underpants.
He was taking a shit.
Torn blue color underpants.
He was taking a shit and then later he wore the torn blue underpants. To be specific.
At least, bro, you make so much money, buy a good, decent underpants, no?
I was in my underpants because these idiots, they said it's first, they were trying to make an April Fool's out of me. They said they had a flat tire.
Which we did pull it off, so.
Yeah,
it was an April Fool.
They actually did kind of pull it off. So, by the time they reached my house, I was already in like my boxers or something, right? And I wasn't expecting them to show up, although everything was packed. Now in Mount Gambier, we're actually going to be camping. Reason being because we actually booked very late, and because it's Easter weekend, there are all the hotels and the motels and the caravans and everything was booked out.
Don't tell them, bro. Tell them we're going camping.
That's what I told him. I'm saying we're going camping, so we are going camping. Now the problem with camping,
we're young boys.
We're young boys.
Yeah, we don't want to go to a hotel or a motel.
तो हम यहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं.
Decathlon.
Vikram, come on.
That's not the point. The point is I've got to vlog everything that we're doing. That's the fun of it. All my friends are so irritated with me always holding the camera now. Daya, are you annoyed with me? You're not annoyed with me. So big. Dude, Decathlon in this thing is not this big. अब सबसे irritating बात पता है क्या होती है? अपने दोस्तों को बताओ ना कि नहीं Kmart जाते हैं, वहाँ से सामान सस्ते मिलता है. No. Let's go to the other place that we want to go. And ultimately what happened, these guys didn't end up buying anything, and by the end of it we're all just going to Kmart to actually go buy.
Hey, we don't work for.
I'm not bitching about anyone. You should just listen to me in the start. Why don't people listen to me all the time? I don't get it. Alright, interesting turn of events. We went to Kmart, which was about 5-10 minutes away from that Decathlon, to search for cheaper tents. Unfortunately, that's exactly what all of Australia is doing as well. They've all come to this Kmart because it's the only one that sells tents and they're out of stock. Luckily enough for us, there is another Kmart 6 minutes away where we are going to go get more and hopefully...
Light term, 15 minutes away.
Oh my god. It's already 7 PM right now and we still haven't started off for Melbourne. God save me. So now we've come to the second Kmart and hopefully, just hopefully, we actually get the tent and sleeping bag here. Kishan, do you think we'll get the sleeping bag here and tent here, bro?
No.
Hey, don't say that. What are we going to do if we actually don't? I'm very nervous. Comment in the section below if you think that we're actually going to get our tents.
This is our tiny friend, Kishan.
So we managed to find one tent there. There's a 3% tent. I also found, what, one tent? And that's also 3% tent.
Hey guys, this is Daya here. Not Vikram. This is Daya. I'm better than him, but I'm just not gonna tell that. But we're on our way. We're on our way down to Mount Gambier. Vikram is gonna drive all the way. How many hours? 5 hours?
5.5 hours.
5.5. He's gonna drive, and me.
Whilst me and the boys will be drinking.
Alright guys, so we've reached Mount Gambier. We've reached the Big 4 holiday park here, and essentially it's what I think it's 2 AM in the morning right now, and we've set up both our tents. We should have put up a time lapse there. Look at how beautiful they look. क्योंकि अभी रात हो रही है इसलिए हमने ना गाड़ी को use किया है for some light. But even late at night, we reached here in about 6 hours, and we have managed to put in both these tents. So we put some 2 sleeping bags there. I'm trying to be lazy and not put up another tent because we don't really need it. But yeah, we're gonna go out, get some drinks. I think there is some music playing like right next to the lake, and I also have to be very quiet because apparently there are campsites everywhere and it's too quiet. There is nobody who's outside their camps and caravans. And we're the only silly people who have our lights on.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, friends and family. It's our second day here at the campsite. I've just been woken up at 8 AM today with screaming kids, a shining sun, trying to gather our energy to get out of bed, but seems very tedious to us. Rise and shine, friends and family. So we're pretty much up and about now. As the stand, he's still struggling. Oh yeah, yesterday we were driving back through like really kangaroo infested areas, and I think Daya's smashed against or killed a ferret or some sort because he was driving at normal pace, but then the dumb ferret pretty much crossed the road. Let's go check out his front of the car. So Daya, I'm just doing a car check. There isn't any blood. They're just the wasps who pretty much smack against the car. It's pretty okay. That's Daya's tent, that's our tent. Kishan and I can fit in there. I was trying to make my tent yesterday, but it didn't really work out very well.
You're lazy.
It was complicated and I got bored. That happens with me at times. Anyways, that's the whole caravan park. How amazing is that? Last night you guys couldn't see it because it was super dark. But we have like an unpowered site. A lot of families everywhere because it's Easter weekend and everything. The cool thing is the toilets are right there, like a reception area there, as well as like a bunch of restaurants too. There is one massive lake that side, and there is another just here around the corner where we went last night and had a bit of a brewski. Plan for today is pretty simple. We are gonna go get the morning rituals out of the way and get some coffee. Daya lost a bet last night. He said there's a country. We were playing the Atlas game in the car, right? And what happened?
I spelled it wrong.
Anyway, we were playing the Atlas game in the car, and I'm pretty okay at the Atlas game. Daya goes with a long shot and says there's a country called Ertiga. I'm like, bro, I bet you $10 or rather 2 coffees for the morning that there is nothing else, no country called Ertiga. Why there? Don't be a sarpas, bro.
I'm not buying you shit.
He's a sore loser, man. If I would have lost, he would have definitely made sure I paid for that coffee.
Yeah, I would have made sure you paid double the coffee.
He is. Look at this. He beat me any day, man. Squash me to the ground.
Bullshit, yeah. I was the one who got bullied when I was young, and he's the one who got bullied.
I used to be the one who used to sit on the side and laugh. And if I ever wanted
to, the one who should bully people.
If I was ever in a precarious situation, I somehow found a way to wiggle my way out of it. Daya's trying to do something with his chappal.
I don't know what you want.
Why are you trying to burn the lower part of your chappal, bro?
Melt it so it doesn't come out.
I am the one, the way you're I'm an engineer.
Ingenious. Smartest person in the world. Look at how big and advanced everyone else's tent is. Look at how massive those are. And of course, people have come in like caravans and youths and everything. And look at our chotu tents.
That's quite big.
Just ridiculous. Kishan and I are on a stroll and an adventure. Kishan, what are we going to go do?
Find a coffee?
We're the only dumb idiots who didn't bring any sort of kitchenware, because technically at a caravan park, you got to pretty much cook everything yourself. Hopefully there is some kitchen somewhere or some sort of cafe, because you can smell the morning
food as well.
You can smell the morning bread baking and like
toasting.
And the muffins there.
I've just bought it out of the pan and get toasted some bread.
That's for sure. The thing with boys at our age,
for the next time.
Thing with boys our age, we just don't make an effort, and we make the minimal effort that's required.
Yeah, just because we're hanging out with you, you're the lazy guy. He's the most laziest one.
I'm not lazy.
Come on.
I had my tent and my sleeping bag packed and ready to go. These guys
we saw
3 hours.
We saw how you pitched your tents yesterday, buddy. We saw you pitched your tent yesterday.
I got my tent along and I didn't do anything with it.
He's like, fuck it. No, I'm not going to do anything.
I'll just sleep with someone else's. Where are we, Kishan?
The EP jumping pillow. And that's where we are.
So that's where our camp is pitched, right? Unpowered side. We're trying to figure out. That's the kitchen?
Gotta make a right back up.
Okay, that right there? Okay. Write down in the comment section below if you guys think we actually go to find ourselves some coffee and some toast and some food for breakfast. The cool thing about this holiday park is it actually has a games room. Check it out, not too bad. They actually literally have Tekken, Mario Kart, and a ping pong table. I can't believe they have all this stuff. It's like an arcade. Ice hockey table. So we did find the kitchen, but unfortunately there are just some ladies who are cooking their own stuff. So we were unfortunate and we failed at our mission of finding any coffee and food for ourselves at the holiday park.
We'll take our car, go out of the holiday park and explore Mount Gambier. Probably get something to eat.
Probably find a cafe and
also
cafe
pick
somewhere.
a friend up, dude.
Oh shit, yeah, we have a fourth friend coming today. Hopefully we get to see him as well. What do you mean hopefully? Of course we're going to get to see him. It's a dumb thing to say. Yeah, we have to go pick up a friend. So I think that's a good plan for the morning. We go get some coffee and muffins and stuff like that.
I think it's about time as well. It's 8:53. We'll be meeting him in like an hour.
हाँ सही है. टाइम अच्छा कर लिया हमने. थोड़ा कॉफी लाएंगे फिर उसको उठाएंगे और फिर I think प्लान क्या है आज का?
Oh, heaps of hiking.
Oh yeah, we're gonna find some nice
and
trails.
A lot of swimming.
Some nice trails.
We will be swimming in lakes. We will be swimming hopefully in sinkholes. And
Yes.
we'll also be trying to swim in the ocean.
I love that.
Try to make it to a sunset.
I love that.
That's on the agenda. We'll see what we can pull off.
We have 2 days here, 2 full days. You all must be wondering why I'm wearing an orange hat. Now, I was getting bored at Kmart and I saw this orange colored hat and I knew I had like a grey jumper and some grey track pants on, and I thought orange would add a nice bit of splash of color into the whole mix.
So cute.
Give this video a like if you think my orange hat looks nice. I really appreciate it. So things are getting very, very interesting. We are making our tent here, the third tent, because we have another friend joining us and Daya doesn't want to sleep with anyone in his tent. Fortunately for this tent, the sticks were not good enough. Like they weren't at the appropriate length. So अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? सबसे ज़्यादा देसी, सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या करते हैं? जुगाड़. And it's a success! We managed to put the whole tent in order. As you can see, बहुत जुगाड़ लगा के हमने tape लगाया यहाँ पे. Another issue with Easter weekend is that literally every store in Mount Gambier is shut except Baker's Delight. Got ourselves a nice blueberry scone, which is delicious. Pizza Mexicana. Yes, we are having pizza at 9 in the morning. और ये देखिए हमारे चौथे दोस्त आ चुके हैं. Nice to see you, bro.
How are you, man?
Our beautiful friend.
How are you?
Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you, man.
Long time, bro. Very long time. Very, very long. Alright, so we're actually doing a hike around Blue Lake, which is very, very close to Mount Gambier, right? This water is, first of all, it's prohibited for people to go and step inside the water. They've pretty much caged all around it, as you can see. Like there's a circular cage everywhere and nobody can enter in, which also means for the fact that it is not polluted, it is clean as hell, and it's drinkable there. Yeah, it's drinking water in Australia.
It's the purest and cleanest drinkable water in Australia. Look at that blue, clean water. Spectacular. And we're gonna do a hike all around it. So हम लोग ये लेने वाले हैं mountain bike trail all the way to that lake there. इस पे normal लोग चल सकते हैं क्या? Yes, it's a no bikers. Bikies. Kishan, what are you doing, Kishan?
Otherwise, nurses curses.
That's why it's called the trail. हमने जो mountain bike trail ले लिया उसमें problem ये it's very slippery. It is, isn't it? This one isn't. This is just a normal trail. Obviously, I don't think this goes all the way. But look at that guy jet skiing at the back of a boat. Bro, it's supremely hard. Like it's like you need a lot of forearm strength and like arm strength and everything, and only then it just sort of helps you out. तो हमने थोड़ी सी छोटी सी हाइक ली थी 2 किलोमीटर की, and apparently we went on like a trail that wasn't really a trail, but we sort of
Vikram fell. He
I
fell into a hole.
fell pretty badly. थोड़ा घिस गया है.
Yeah, थोड़ा. Fucking big. Look at this.
You got a few bruises, but that's fine. There, where are you getting bruises, bro? There, all I can see is biceps. Yeah, a couple of cuts there. Don't be a little girl there.
Oh, yeah, you had to tell in the video, didn't you?
No, I'll take it off. Don't worry. I'll put it in there. Kawabunga, buddy. So guys, baat aisi hai. The gamblers that we all are, we put our tents here. It's about afternoon now. We got back from the hike. Amazing trip. We went and got some food from Subway. And now what we're doing is, typically जो इंडिया में रोड साइड में लगा के खेलते थे ना, वही सीन कर रखा है. हमारे पास ग्रीन कार्पेट तो है नहीं. दया, किशन, देव एंड माई सेल्फ, जुआरीज. और अब हम जा रहे हैं, पोकर खत्म हो चुका है, हम लोग इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट जाने वाले हैं और वहाँ कुछ खाएंगे. आई डोंट नो व्हाट वी ईट, बट वी आल्सो हैव टू गेट स्नैक्स एंड वी गेट सम ड्रिंक्स फॉर द नाइट एज वेल, बिकॉज दिस प्लेस प्रीटी मच शट्स डाउन बाय लाइक 8 PM. आई एम प्रीटी मच गोना साइन ऑफ राइट नाउ बिकॉज there's annoying me. There, why are you annoying me, bro?
Okay.
I'm in a very mellow mood today. I don't know why. I need to drink some more or eat some more. I need to get more excited because it's a really fun vacation. Anyways, I'm going to have fun with my boys. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel and video. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog. Peace.